Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with Target Trading Academy with your micros market recap. Today is Tuesday, January 4th, just after 4 p.m. here. Let's get into it with micro oil. Let's scroll back for you. You can see that we opened gap up, quickly made a move down back towards the range from yesterday. Hitting that range, we bounced off, giving us several opportunities for entries there before we decided to go back up towards our contract high range, where we had several reversals there as well. And then pretty much just bounced between those two areas for the day. We set a high and a low pretty early, and we didn't get above either, or below and above. So we didn't leave the range after it was set within the first hour or so. So just sideways movement, consolidating. Not a whole lot going on there. Now but gold, if you recall, was gapped down from yesterday. And for today, we opened inside the balance and just decided to melt our way back up towards that Friday and Monday gap that was created. Now, there were a handful of entries here in gold as well, based off of these high volume areas that you see in orange, but not a whole lot of action going on. Now, the ES opened gap up. Let me scroll there. It's a little bit farther to scroll back. Just more participation. Gap up above the contract high, but well above the range from yesterday in the close, where it fiddled in this area for a bit before deciding to come back down into the HVA in the contract towards yesterday's range, and finally going to that close and beyond, where it made some new lows and then fiddled back up towards the close from yesterday. And ultimately, we closed just below the close from yesterday. So we do have a net loss between those days compared to oil and gold both having a net gain. Now, NASDAQ opened ever so slightly gap up, not very far, unlike ES and Dow. So here in the micro NASDAQ, let me scroll back for you. You can see that we opened up slightly above the range from yesterday, came to it, got into the range, and then for the most part, just rejected this higher area. So yesterday we made some highs. Today we're making some lows. Handful of entries in NASDAQ here, some mainly trending entries as it was just a ton of selling. But we definitely closed well below the range from yesterday and below the close from yesterday as well. So making some new lows for the day. That's all right. Regardless of that, we had several opportunities again at our HVA levels that we give our students the night before, and several opportunities for trending entries for those students who are live or just ready to go live. Speaking of students, let's just show one trade. This entry is a trending entry from Brenda in the micro NASDAQ. One lot up $68.50 live, real money. For one lot in the micros, that's a huge amount of progress and profit. If you're interested in finding out more information about the high volume areas or the orange levels that we give out to our students each night before, so you can have it for your own trading session, or anything about our methodologies, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. We have a Facebook page, or you can go to our website at targettradingacademy.com. Get in touch with us, and you'll soon see why we are the #1 trading education company in the world, and why we have so many live, profitable students in our rooms each day. We look forward to seeing you.